Hi, welcome to Pharma Instinct Clinical Research Interview Question Preparation Part 5. This quiz is based on clinical research protocol. You will get 5 seconds to pick the correct answer. The first question is: what is the primary purpose of a clinical trial protocol? Here are your options. A. To provide informed consent to participants. B. To outline the statistical analysis plan. C. To describe the study design and methodology. D. To promote the study to the general public. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. To describe the study design and methodology. The primary purpose of a clinical trial protocol is to provide a detailed plan that outlines the study design, methodology, objectives, and procedures for conducting the clinical trial. It serves as a comprehensive document that guides researchers and ensures consistency and standardization throughout the study. Next question is: what is the randomization process in a clinical trial protocol? Here are your options. A. Selecting participants based on their preferences. B. Assigning participants to treatment groups by chance. C. Choosing participants with similar characteristics. D. Allowing participants to choose their treatment arm. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. Assigning participants to treatment groups by chance. The randomization process in a clinical trial protocol involves assigning participants to different treatment groups in a random manner. This random assignment helps ensure that each group is comparable at the start of the study, reducing the likelihood of bias and confounding variables. Next question is: what is a placebo in the context of a clinical trial protocol? Here are your options. A. A standard treatment. B. An inactive substance with no therapeutic effect. C. An experimental drug. D. A drug with known side effects. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. An inactive substance with no therapeutic effect. In the context of a clinical trial protocol, a placebo is an inactive substance that has no therapeutic effect. It is often used as a control in clinical trials to compare the effects of an experimental treatment, such as a new drug, against those of a placebo. Next question is: what is blinding or masking in a clinical trial protocol? Here are your options. A. Concealing the study objectives. B. Hiding the identity of the study sponsor. C. Keeping participants unaware of their treatment assignment. D. Conducting the trial in secret. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. Keeping participants unaware of their treatment assignment. Blinding or masking in a clinical trial protocol involves keeping participants unaware of their treatment assignment. This practice is implemented to reduce bias and prevent subjective influences on the study outcomes. Next question is: what is a serious adverse event in the context of a clinical trial protocol? Here are your options. A. Any unexpected event. B. An adverse event with severe consequences. C. A common side effect. D. An event unrelated to the study. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. An adverse event with severe consequences. In the context of a clinical trial protocol, a serious adverse event refers to an adverse event that is severe in nature and often has significant consequences. Serious adverse events are events that result in death, are life-threatening, require inpatient hospitalization or prolongation of existing hospitalization, result in persistent or significant disability or incapacity, or cause a congenital anomaly or birth defect. Next question is: what is a protocol deviation in a clinical trial? Here are your options. A planned change to the study protocol. B. An unexpected change to the study protocol. C. A change made without ethical approval. D. A deviation from the statistical analysis plan. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. An unexpected change to the study protocol. A protocol deviation in a clinical trial refers to an unplanned or unexpected departure from the approved study protocol. The study protocol serves as a detailed plan outlining the objectives, design, methodology, and conduct of the clinical trial. Protocol deviations can occur for various reasons, such as errors in the implementation of procedures, unforeseen circumstances, or issues with participant compliance. Next question is: what is the significance of the endpoint in a clinical trial protocol? Here are your options. A. The starting point of the study. B. A secondary outcome measure. C. The primary outcome measure to assess treatment effect. D. The point at which participants drop out of the study. Your time starts now. The correct answer is C. The primary outcome measure to assess treatment effect. The endpoint in a clinical trial protocol is the specific event or outcome that is used to measure the treatment's effect. It is a critical aspect of the study design, serving as the primary outcome measure to evaluate the efficacy of the intervention. Next question is: what is the purpose of the screening visit in a clinical trial protocol? Here are your options. A. To conclude the study. B. To collect data before the start of treatment. C. To provide informed consent. D. To report adverse events. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. To collect data before the start of treatment. The screening visit in a clinical trial protocol serves the purpose of collecting essential data before the actual treatment begins. During this phase, potential participants undergo various assessments to determine their eligibility for the study. Next question is: what is the purpose of the follow-up period in a clinical trial protocol? Here are your options. A. To test the effectiveness of the study drug. B. To monitor participants after treatment completion. C. To recruit new participants. D. To provide informed consent. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. To monitor participants after treatment completion. The follow-up period in a clinical trial protocol serves the purpose of monitoring participants after they have completed the assigned treatment. This phase allows researchers to observe and assess the long-term effects, safety, and outcomes related to the intervention. Next question is: what is the primary purpose of the feasibility assessment in a clinical trial protocol? Here are your options. A. To recruit participants. B. To determine if the study can be conducted successfully. C. To analyze study data. D. To review adverse events. Your time starts now. The correct answer is B. To determine if the study can be conducted successfully. The primary purpose of a feasibility assessment in a clinical trial protocol is to evaluate whether the study can be conducted successfully. This assessment involves considering various factors such as the availability of eligible participants, the capability of study sites, resources required, and potential challenges that may arise during the trial. Thank you for staying till the last. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Remember to press the bell icon and also comment your score down below. To build your career and get more information about clinical research, join our course by calling us on 985-560-3224 or visit www.feistar.in.